Good morning, everybody. I'm pleased to provide a brief update with regards to Australia's vaccine program. Obviously, over the last 2 days, we've seen the program commence, and the reports yesterday are that around the country, we've seen Australians being given the vaccines, and this is the start of a program which will help protect lives and save lives across Australia and give people a pathway to returning to a more normal lifestyle. I'm also pleased to be able to report that a second shipment of the Pfizer vaccine has arrived in Australia. It's the first of two over the course of the next week, which between them should deliver 280,000 doses. This week, 166,000 doses have arrived. Next week it will be approximately 120,000 doses. We'll average our provision across the two, and that should be the equivalent of 140,000 doses arriving per week or thereabouts. What that means is we'll make 80,000 doses available over the coming week, 50,000 to the states, 30,000 to aged care through the Commonwealth, and we'll do the same in week 3 of the program. It's important that we have consistency. We're always provisioning for the second doses, which is the recommendation of our medical advisors, and making sure that we have contingency if at any stage there were an issue with the supply chain. But I have to say, the consistency of supply has been strong and heartening. I have spoken with the CEO of Pfizer overnight for Australia and thanked Anne Harris for her work and her team. And they've given us good, strong confidence and forward guidance of their continued deliveries. And that just gives Australians confidence. Gives us confidence in terms of the effectiveness of the vaccines, and confidence in terms of the reliability of supply, which is very important. At the same time, we have been working with AstraZeneca, and our guidance remains that we are on track for early March, and that's again very heartening. That will see us be in a position where we will be able to double doses per week, and then by the end of March, as we move to the next phase with the CSL Australian-made doses, we should have approximately 1 million doses per week that are available. Finally, I just acknowledge the reports which are coming out of the UK health authorities. They've been conducting a real-world overview of the efficacy of the vaccines that have been distributed. Very good results for both Pfizer and AstraZeneca, slightly higher in terms of the outcomes for the AstraZeneca vaccine, but both are world-class, and I've spoken to the Chief Medical Officer of Australia this morning, Professor Paul Kelly, who has told me that he is delighted and that indeed the results of both vaccines are exceeding expectations.